പറയും നല്ലതാണ് മോശമാണ്.
Good morning, it is the 26th of December, and today we are leaving for our vacation. So, our flight is from Bombay, so we are directly going to Bombay right now. And it's gonna be our flight is at 7:30, and we have to reach there by 4:30. So, by 11:30, we'll be leaving. Since it's the holiday season, we thought that leaving early would be better because there's a lot of rush. Anyways, this is my look. I'll just quickly show it to you. I'll just quickly show you the look. Sorry for the mess behind, but yeah, I've worn these beige shoes. This is a cord set that I got. I wore this last year for my vacation to Langkawi, and this is a puffer jacket again from Westside. I was looking out for a black jacket, but my black jacket is apparently lost, so I don't know where it is. And yeah, this is my look. I'll be leaving in 1 hour, but yeah, this is my overall look. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you directly in the airport. Are you excited, Arya? Yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. We landed in Abu Dhabi, and right now we're waiting for my dad, and then we'll be doing the immigration and then collecting the baggage, and then we'll move to the hotel. So we are waiting right now. Let's see how much time it's gonna take. Look at the immigration line. It is crazy. It's gonna take a lot of time. So we've reached the hotel. Now we'll quickly check in and then we'll go to eat something because all of us are really hungry. So I'll see you then. This is 344.
339
343 वहाँ होगा 340 है वो तो हाँ 339. This is our room. This is the second room that we have booked.
The next day.
Ma, are you excited for the breakfast? Yes. This is the breakfast spread. We have hash brown, grilled bread, salad, some watermelon, pita bread and hummus. We also have some omelette. That's Arya's plate. Everyone's eating. We also have flavored yogurt, by the way. Hi guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday we got extremely tired, so we directly ate some food. I guess we had some yeah, me and my sister had some fajitas, and mom and my dadaji had veg biryani. My dad had club sandwich. So basically the portion size over here is very big and was very heavy actually, and it was very late at night. We checked in around 12 or 12:30, and by the time we got the food it was 1:30, and we slept around 2. So we are sleep deprived, but since we're traveling we have to compromise on the sleep. Today we were supposed to go to Sea World. We were also supposed to go to a museum, and yeah, that was basically our itinerary for today. But then apparently Sea World is very expensive. That's what I've at least like got to know, that Sea World is like very expensive. Ferrari World is equally expensive. It's like 375 dirhams for one person, and we are like 5 of them, and it's all about rides, and we weren't really sure if all of us were going to use it. So then there was no point if we're taking 5 tickets and we're going in and only 1 or 2 of them are actually doing all of the rides. So yeah, we thought that that could be done like sometime later on. Like it isn't as necessary, or it's not something that we would like to do right now, because especially you have to keep in mind the age criteria as well. So we felt that that could be avoided because it's way too expensive, especially because it's the holiday season, so you can expect prices to go really high. So we were like, okay, let's see some other day probably. So we have planned on to go to a mall instead, and we thought that we could just start with some basic shopping over here. Also, there is this major festival over here which happens once in a year, which is happening right now. So I'm not sure about the name of the festival, so I'm gonna be mentioning it in the text below just in case if you're interested. But this only happens once in a year, so we thought that it's all about UAE, and it's all about street shopping, but basically with specialities of UAE. So we thought that okay, that would be something new as well. That's what we've planned for today. This is my makeup for today. I've kept it really simple, just some mascara, concealer, little bit of foundation, blush, and my favorite lipsticks. Yeah, that's about it. Now I'll show you where all we go, and tomorrow we are also going to check out. We are going to go to Dubai, and we have to check out in the afternoon. So I think tomorrow we're going to keep it really simple, just going to go visit the mosque and the temple. For today we have planned all of these things, and I hope that the day goes well. Starbucks over here. This is, by the way, the biggest mall, right, of Abu Dhabi. Thanks for the reply. So there are sale offers. We are here in, this is Debenhams, right? If I'm pronouncing it correctly. And there's sale going on everywhere. Wow, look at the Christmas decoration. It's beautiful. This is like the same that we got in. I actually love it. This is H&M, by the way. Both of this goes together, but what is the price?
60-40. So Achha. 100 into 23, 2,300.
Good. Yeah, it's good. But even if you just like, if you don't want this as a cord set, तो फिर वो side में बहुत सारे black skirts हैं. Skirts भी. I'll show you. It is so much more better. Where is it? I can't find it now. Where did you find this?
Crepes के ऊपर मैं सब वो पे कैमरा लेके.
See over here, I saw this black skirt. ये भी था. ये भी है. See, there are a lot of variety. Bow है.
This is for 90, and I'm getting this for 100 both.
Wait. ये skirt also. This also looks good. This is like, see this. इसके लिए भी set नहीं भी है ना?
Only 150. Only.
See, इसके लिए like set नहीं भी है तो भी चलेगा. You can wear like a black top या कुछ इस पे. But वैसे नहीं, वो checkered print है ना, तो you'll need that cord. This doesn't look good, yeah. It looks very tacky.
I like the color.
I like the color, but then it's not really good. What do you think? Are you getting this one?
I don't know.
നിനക്ക് ഇല്ലല്ല അല്ലല്ല എന്താ വേണ്ടി പറയും
ये तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है
सिर्फ ये अच्छा लग रहा है.
वो भी अच्छा लग रहा
അത് ഭംഗിയുണ്ടോ?
है അല്ല ഇത് വെവ്വേറെ
അത് ഭംഗിയുണ്ടോ?
ഇത് രണ്ട് വെവ്വേറെ വാങ്ങാൻ കിട്ടും
ആ?
ഇത് വേറെ വേറെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ്
അത്
വാങ്ങാൻ
വേറെ വേറെയാ?
അതെടുത്തോ ഇതിന് പകരം വേറെ ഒന്ന് എടുത്തോ
उल्टा बोला, but उसको अभी पता नहीं क्या.
തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്. ചിലപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് കണ്ടിട്ട് വർക്കർ തോന്നുന്നു.
That center point, I remember going back when I was back in Kuwait. I used to shop so much from here. This is Isadora. There are a lot of beauty tools as well. Oh, I wanted a makeup remover, I forgot, but this is nail polish remover. അവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു 2
ഞാൻ മിഡിൽ ഫിംഗർ കാണിക്കണേ.
Okay, so we are done with the shopping over here, and now we are gonna go to the festival that I mentioned in the morning. Teams, you know, and Yango. That is what the taxi service over here is. And since we are 5 people, we're looking out for a bigger vehicle. So that's the reason why we're taking a lot of time, because there are people who are, there are a lot of cabs available, but it's only for 4 people max to max. The festival, which is like a 45-minute drive from here. How was the mall, Galleria?
It was good. I found clothes, but then I don't know.
I
It
got
was
nothing.
very average.
Yeah.
The hype was too much, and the mall was not up to the mark.
Yeah, so first of all, the irony, let's talk about that we are in UAE and this is one of the biggest malls, but we didn't even find one place that is offering like Arabic cuisine, Arabic food. Didn't find any of that. We found McDonald's, we've found all sorts of fast food restaurants, and as well as an Indian restaurant, but
Japanese, Mexican, Chinese,
Vietnamese, all sorts of cuisines, but not Arabic food. And we were looking out for a good place to have like a good Arabic cuisine, but unfortunately we didn't get that. Either way, today I had like extreme level of blush blindness, but after seeing people over here, I feel that my blush blindness is not as much as others, but still ours look very different from the kind of blush that they apply. Today the powder
Mine
blush
is
went overboard.
less.
Yeah, hers is less.
Mine is minimal.
Yeah, hers is
I
minimal.
like that.
But anyways, since I don't have any eye makeup, I think that this is better. This is the bus stop, you can see, and this is all of the taxis that are waiting over here. It's not at all cold as well. The weather is very good actually. I love this weather, not too hot, not too cold. Okay, that was it for the first vlog. I also wanted to add the festival vlogs and clips into this, but since it's a very big festival, I had a lot to cover, so I will be attaching it in the second part of the video. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very, very soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.